Hi, I'm Shawn Thomas, BMW brand ambassador. I hear you've recently become the new owner of a BMW motorcycle from Cross Country BMW. I'm really excited for your new adventures and would like to help you get to know your new bike a little better before you head out. First things first, let's look at where important controls are located on your new bike. We're going to use this BMW R1250 GS Adventure and this K1600 Grand America as examples. You may have purchased one of these, or you may have a different model. Your bike's details may vary from what you see here, but this is a good start, and your owner's manual will point the way more specifically for your bike. We're going to start with the right hand grip. On this side, of course, we find the throttle and front brake lever, as well as the start and kill rocker switch. Your ride mode selector button is also located on the right grip. You'll also find the button for heated grips and seat if you have this option. When your bike is powered on, use this to scroll through your options and select your desired heat setting. Moving to the left side, along with your clutch lever and multi-controller, we see important items such as turn signal and horn. Right above those are the menu button for scrolling through menu options on your TFT display, the rocker button for electronic suspension adjustment, and traction control override. Above these, you'll find the button for your hazard warning flashers, and right at the top, if you have this option, you'll find your cruise control switches. A couple more buttons of note are the high beam headlight and headlight flasher switch. And if you have optional auxiliary lights, the button for their operation will also be found here. On the Grand America, there are a few additional switches. On the right side, you'll find the button for the central locking system. On the left is where you'll find controls for the power windscreen and the reverser as well. Now, this is a quick overview of important items, but there are a lot more things to discover on your new bike. Take some time to learn where and what everything is using your owner's manual as a guide. If you have questions, get in touch with the crew at Cross Country Cycles. They'll help you get everything sorted. I'm Shawn Thomas. Check out our other videos for more information. Congratulations on many wonderful miles to come. Now get out there and make life a ride.